Hello, and welcome to your mindful break. I am here in the botanical gardens pretending for a brief moment that I am in a warm tropical location instead of the reality of the situation. If you're in the Midwest like me, you're in the middle of and kind of tired of many storms, and a couple hours we're supposed to be getting more freezing rain and a weekend of a wintry mix. If in this state you're anything like me and sometimes feeling a little bit like stir crazy, hopefully mindfulness, yoga, any kind of exercise can bring you some relief. So the reality of this situation brings me to my affirmation, which is actually a quote by the French philosopher Albert Camus, who says, "In the depth of winter, I finally learned that within me there lay an invincible summer." With that, let's do a few things to boost the immune system and the positivity. We are going to start with heart bombs, which are something that we practice in my Kundalini yoga class with Abby, and they're kind of fun. So we are going to start with the arms all the way out, kind of tensing up the hands like this. And we are going to inhale in and hands on the heart. And then powerful cannon breath, exploding. Inhale into the heart. One more inhale in. Okay, and we're going to inhale our arms up. We're going to put the fingers into steeple, stretching up top, and inhaling up, exhaling down to one side so that we feel it in here. Hold it as long as you comfortably can. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay, and for the mid and lower spine, we are going to do the Kundalini Yoga Spinal Twist, in which we put the hands on the shoulders, the fingers go in front, the thumbs go behind. We are going to inhale to the left, exhale to the right. And you can continue with that as long as whatever serves you. We are going to do a meditation that is supposed to burn anger and build the immune system, especially if you're dealing with a long winter and it seems like the cold and flu seems to be going around. Take care of yourself. This meditation, we put the left hand over the heart. And with the right hand, we'll put the hand straight up in the air, but the middle finger and the index finger will be up together, and then we're going to use the thumb to hold down the other two fingers, and this arm's going to go straight up. And we'll do a very shortened version of this because sometimes if we do this, like when I do this for many minutes at a time, it can make you feel a little bit lightheaded because you feel the energy and the tingling, and it's quite powerful, which is really why it makes it so great for burning anger. But just do this for a short time and continue for whatever is comfortable for you. So we are going to inhale with a mouth like an O for 2 seconds and exhale. for 2 seconds. So it's literally a fast, powerful cannon breath. So you can do this with your eyes closed, making sure the arm is up against the ear and not going too far forward or backwards. Okay, and inhale for 2 seconds. And we will pause there. Continue if it serves you. Thank you so much for taking the time to serve yourself, because as we take the time to be calm and peaceful, we are able to radiate that calm and peace to others around us. And remember that within us there can be that invincible summer. And make the time for your self-care. Thanks so much.